Hello friends, today we are going to see the various UPSC mnemonics that are very useful for the UPSC prelims, and those mnemonics are frequently asked in the UPSC examination, and in the various government examination also they are asking those mnemonics. So for that purpose we will see the various crops mnemonics, that tropical crops, then temperate crops, and then tropical evergreen crops. Also UPSC or other state government examination also asking which one of the following is the kharif crop and which one of the following is the rabi crop. Also they give the simple silly mistake that wheat is the kharif crop instead of the rabi crop, and automatically we make the mistake here. So for that purpose we are going to teach you those some mnemonics. So first one we will see the tropical crops and the kharif crops. Those are mainly related to the kharif crops. So you have just need to remember those words, that Kobama ki tijori. The word is Kobama ki tijori. It's very simple, that Obama like that Kobama ki tijori. And you will see that Ko is for the cotton, Ba is for the bajra, Ma is for the maize, Ki is you need to neglect that word. Tujori means Tu is for tur, Jo is for jawar, and Ri is for the rice. Remember, those are only the kharif crops, and those crops are not coming into the rabi crops. So it's very easy. That word is Kobamaki tijori. Now let's see another word is temperate, or it's not the temperate but related to the kharif crops. Which one of the following are the rabi crops? And the simple word here is the vibhagar. Simple word is vibhagar. And you see is that V is for the wheat, Ba is for the barley, G grams for gram, R is for rapeseed, and M for the mustard. Remember, those are the only rabi crops, and mostly UPSC asking the question related to the wheat, barley, mustard, or rapeseed. And then another one we will see that those are the tropical evergreen crops, and we will see them. Sometimes UPSC says which one of the following, not UPSC but others exams, but it's mostly related to the UPSC mains writing, for also in the mains writing. So you have need to mark the word that Rema, simple. R is for rosewood, E is for ebony, M for mahogany, and A for aini. It's called Rema. Those are all tropical evergreen trees. Now another word is the semi-evergreen trees, and word is the CHK, check. C is for Kedar, H for Halok, and K for Kailas. So I hope friends you will understand it very well. Then another one we will remember that tropical deciduous dry trees. That for that word is the Pakatabela. P is for pullers. Then Tendo Axolotl bell. But in the UPSC prelims they have asked three times the question about the sandalwood. Sandalwood is the tree. It's the endemic to the south region. It's endemic, and it's the tropical deciduous moistures. It's cropped for many times for the medicine, and other for it's also taken for the illegal purpose. So it's very important, and it's also endemic to the South India. So I hope friends, and for the mnemonic remember to is the triple SAT. That's you can name the word SAT, and here add 2 S. S is for sandalwood, then another one sal, another one is for shisham, A is for amlan, T is for tea. I hope you will understand all those. Please share, subscribe my channel. I hope you will get all those things, and please share, subscribe channel with your all friends. Thank you friends.